Welcome everyone, let's take a screenshot on a Google Pixel. So you first want to find the power and the volume buttons, and in order to take a screenshot we need to click and release power and volume down at the exact same time. So make sure you add enough force when clicking these buttons and don't hold the buttons, just release, okay? So 3, 2, 1, click release. And you can see a screenshot will be taken if you added enough force. If you're having issues where the device locks when you take a screenshot, that means you did not press the volume down button with enough force. And if you're having issues where you just click volume down, that means you did not click the power button with enough force. So make sure you just add a lot of force, click both buttons together, okay? Let's do this together right now. 3, 2, 1, click release, boom, and the screenshot will be taken. Now when it is taken, you have the pencil, and that allows you to edit the screenshot. So you can edit the crop, add text, add highlighters and erase. You also have the option to delete the screenshot or save. Now another thing you may want to know is when you take a screenshot, automatically it will save onto your Pixel. If you just give it 5 to 10 seconds, you'll be able to see here any moment now it will just go away, boom. But if you want the screenshot to go away right away, just slide the preview to the left and that will save the screenshot. If you go to the Photos app, if you want to find the screenshots in Photos, you can see nothing shows up. So instead you need to tap on Library, then Screenshots, and you should see all of the screenshots you have taken right here. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.